Hi, and welcome to the fourth video in the MusiQuest Dashboard tutorial series. So far, we've added our first class, created our student accounts, and got them signed in. And I hope you're beginning to see how powerful and well-built this dashboard is. In addition to helping with setup, the dashboard's also great at reviewing data and managing the student experience, which is the focus of this video. I'm going to move through a few different pages somewhat quickly because we're still building our momentum together towards getting your students creating and learning. No worries. If you need more details, just go to the resources page and watch the dedicated tutorial videos for each of the dashboard functions there. With that said, let's get started. You can see that I'm on the school overview tab here of our brand new demo school. And lo and behold, we've got some activity. This graph shows you whether your students are engaged and to what extent. And if we scroll down a little further, we're going to get our first clue as to where this activity is coming from. Of course, it's our star pupil, Aretha Franklin, who's already gotten started. We can listen to her song right here on the dashboard. Nice work, Aretha. We can go to it if we want or share it through a variety of mechanisms. And this is a preview of the sort of data display and functionality of this dashboard. If we scroll down a little further, we'll see some general information about the school. We'll then see a list of students, which confirms that Aretha's been active, but nobody else has quite gotten started yet, which is okay. We wouldn't have expected them to. Let's get them going by choosing something for them to focus on. And we can do that by moving to the curriculum guide. The curriculum guide shows you all of the quests in MusiQuest. You can click on these three dots here to get a variety of options. You can go directly to the quest to try it and experience it as a student itself. That'll bring you here. Or you can drill down into more details about the quest or assignment if you're prepared. If you go to more details, and let me shrink myself and get out of the way, you'll see the lessons that are embedded within the quest. You can click on the drop-down arrow here to get more information, the tags, the assessment questions, the standards that those lessons meet. And if you decide you're interested in that lesson, you think it's a good one for your student, you can go ahead and click Assign. When you click Assign, it'll bring up the Assign Lesson modal. You can choose the class that you want to assign it to. And with this button, it'll go out to all of your students. So if we go back to Aretha's profile and refresh, we're going to see this assignment here at the top of her MusiQuest profile. And she now knows, okay, I'm moving into a lesson on acoustic rock, and let me go ahead and play that. Of course, it's not just Aretha that will get this lesson. It's any student that's in this super awesome class that we've created. So we also have the boss, not the boos, but the boss present with us. And really quite a lucky teacher. And you can see the boss has this assignment as well. So that's the curriculum guide in action. See what's in MusiQuest, assign it, and there's a lot more to come in this area very soon. Looking forward to sharing that with you. One last detail that I'd like to share is that the class overview shares many of the same functions as the school overview. In this new school, actually, it's going to be basically the exact same because all of our students are in the same class and we only have one. You can see down here now that Bruce Springsteen, the boss, has joined Aretha as an active student. No one else yet, but when they complete their assignments, they'll begin to show up here. So in our final video, I'll have a little more details to share about what happens if you have multiple classes and some additional nuanced elements of the dashboard. I hope you're seeing, though, exactly how you can use MusiQuest to empower creativity and learning and get going in a very quick fashion. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.